Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to know your zodiac sign. So instead of going in depth and explaining it, I'm just going to show you the quickest way of finding what your zodiac sign is. So all you've got to do, go to Google, then you're going to go to a website where it's going to explain it all for you. Just type in what is my zodiac sign, and then you're going to find a website. You don't have to click the one that I'm going to click. There's multiple different ones that are going to pop up. There's an example of one of them is whatismysign.net, so you can just click on that. Then all you've got to do on most of these websites is just go down to where it says your birthday. Go ahead and type in your birthday. So just as an example, I do the 1st of January 2000 for the example. So then once you've done that, click done, and then just click find. And it's going to go around, it's going to show you your sign there. So for this example, it's going to be Capricorn, so that's going to be your zodiac sign for that. Then it will give you some information about it, etc. That's all you need to do. So leave a like on the video if you're going to do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see all my how-to videos on the iPhone and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.